Hi everyone, today we are making these delicious and budget-friendly homemade yogurts in 3 flavors. Add your milk to a pot and bring it to a boil. This is about 2 liters of raw milk. If your milk was already cooked, warm it up a little until tiny bubbles form around the edges. Transfer the milk to a bowl and let it cool until you can put your finger without burning. Now we are ready to start making our yogurt. This is plain yogurt with live and active cultures needed to ferment the milk. Add a little of the warm milk to the culture and mix it in. Now add the culture mixture to the rest of the milk and mix it in until it's well incorporated. I'll be adding a 1/4 cup of sugar to sweeten my yogurt. Add as much as you want or leave it out completely. It's totally optional. I'll be dividing this into 3 portions to make the 3 flavors of the yogurt. I'll be making vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate yogurt flavors. Add the flavors to each bowl and mix them in. You can totally customize your yogurts to your desired flavors. Cover the jars with the airtight lids. If your jars do not have lids, cover them with cling film. Now let's incubate the yogurts. Wrap them up in a thick cloth to create a warm and cozy environment for the bacteria to do their magic. Let the yogurt set. This will take between 12 to 24 hours. The yogurt should be thick and creamy and not runny. This looks perfect. Delicious homemade yogurts that are easy on the wallet and so satisfying. I drink the yogurts as they are or use them in smoothies, parfaits, or yogurt granola bowls. Here are some of my favorite yogurt granola bowl recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun recipe ideas. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!